St. Julian's and Pacheville in front of us, and just behind me there is a brand new shopping mall that has opened in Malta on the 15th of July 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your sweaty Alex. Today, because it's a heat wave in Malta, 16th of July when I'm filming this video, exactly one day after the opening of the St. George Mall, or it's kinda open, I don't know. We need to go inside and find out whether this shopping mall is something that people really needed it. How is it done? Which shops are available inside, and all the important information that you do need to know. Now, just to start the video, I arrived here with a car. So on the screen I'm going to insert the map of how you guys can arrive over here if you're coming with a car. If not, you can just put, for example, Hotel Malta. That's a brand new restaurant that is open in this complex. And you will arrive here at the main entrance of the St. George Mall. Doesn't seem like it's ready, but we are here to find out. Okay, so we have the main entrance from here, but we need to, but we need to start the video from the parking. Those that are going to be here with their car, this is the current situation, guys. As you can see, nothing is ready. There is still dust, there is still a lot of construction going on inside. I've noticed that they're still putting these brackets over here. Now, there are not even proper signs. They have these papers all around. Yeah, as you can see. Okay, now we need to try to find the way to go up in the mall from here, if that's even possible. Yes, there is a lift. Let's see if we can use this lift. Out of service. Okay, there are these stairs. Where they're gonna lead us, I don't know, but... Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm completely lost. Okay, I found these. So this should be the entrance. Let's see, you can hear that there is still a lot of construction going on. Okay, there is a sign. Smells like dust. Not a dust, it smells like gypsum. So let's see what is going to be the rest of this. Uh-oh, music. I hope the shopping mall doesn't have music. Because if it does, then I'm gonna have to make everything as an overview. There is the first panel that they have here, which gives you everything that you need to know about the car parking and the mall itself. Okay, here we are. We went out of the elevator, and the first shop that I'm seeing is Celio woman, Celio men. I want just to go around so you guys can have an idea of what this new shopping mall has in Malta. Wait, we have Springfield as well. I'm not gonna go in every shop because I don't want to make this video to be like 45 minutes. Cortefiel is here as well, but I will just stay for a little bit in front of every shop so that you guys can get a nice idea of what they have to offer. There is a Cinnabon as well, very good. So they have a Cinnabon and Sterling on this side. Okay. A supermarket. They have Pavi and Pama. No way. Okay, I'm not gonna go inside the supermarket for now, but it's good to just to have an idea. Hello. Just to have an idea of what they have. Okay. Stivaletti. I'm seeing a lot of construction workers all around. That means, of course, because nothing is ready. I love, now since it's my first impression as well, Punto Roma. They need a bit more lights. There is not enough lights inside the shop. Or maybe, they're not switched on, the others. Okay, so let me give you my very first impression. Hi. My very first impression about the shopping mall is that the ceilings are very tall, I mean very high, which is a good thing. Then it smells, still I cannot get the smell of this shopping mall, of course, because it smells like dust, but we'll see later on. And I like that it's very open. Of course, I'm here just for like 10 seconds, as long as it's this part of the video, since I went off the lift, but I'm very interested to see the rest. I see that there is a Decathlon as well. Fun fact, by the way, I just went to Decathlon, the other one, which is in Ormi, and I got myself first boxing gloves, so I'm gonna start boxing. What do they have here, just in case? Okay, they do sell phone cases as well. Interesting. Another shop here which we have is Pasi, I believe. I don't know if I'm not pronouncing some of these names, guys. Please don't blame me. I don't know some of these brands. I like it. So far, it looks so good. Morgan, small shop, but it's okay. Oh, interesting designs. I like these sofas that they have. I don't know how comfortable they are, to be honest, because they do look plastic, but let me see. Okay, let me try. What if I want to lay down a little bit? Okay, it's good. Charisma, this is a Maltese brand, or M Vintage was Maltese brand and this one is not, I don't know. What is this? Some coffee shop, they do have, is this Charles and Ron? Yes, it is, Maltese designer. No, there are two actually. Okay, this is their price list. What they have, cold drinks, hot drinks, bakery edit. Okay, look at that. Cute. Nice. Island Opticians. Okay, there is an optician shop here as well. Women, men, and children. Next, that's not open yet. Okay. Reverse, the other side. What did I miss? I miss on New Yorker. Huge. Oh my God, it's huge. New Yorker is very, very, very big here. Okay. Aldo's accessories. Oh wow, only accessories. They don't sell shoes here. Okay, interesting. Sorry guys, maybe somebody wanted me to go inside some of these shops. I do apologize, but just for the sake of all the shops to be equal, I don't want to go in one and I don't go to the other one, you know what I mean? Doppelganger, okay, beautiful. It looks really nice. I love the chandeliers. The whole setup looks really good. Okay, we have Pasi again. That means I need to find my way and get up on another floor. I don't know how many floors they do have exactly, but as I said, this is new for me as well. Car park, lifts, escalator, and toilets. The only thing I'm not gonna show you in this video is the toilets, guys, because of course I don't want to go in a toilet with a phone and record. Good. I just found the toilets, guys. The state of it, disaster. I don't know if we have animals over here or we have human beings. It was insane, thank you. They do have a map. This is really nice. They have a whole map of what there is. You have all the brands here and a map of the mall as well. You know what is interesting? They do everything electronic, but there is a lot of people that they still love to have leaflets, you know, like a whole paper, so that they can see what there is and they can take it with them and go around. I know that now we have QR codes and all of that, but yeah, some people still like paper. And now I know eco-friendly, blah, 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 environment and all of that. Huh? Hello? Okay, the lifts here are closed. That means the other way. Thank you. It was so sweet. There were those girls that were showing me I need to go from the back. Okay. Oh, shirtless man. I don't know if you're allowed to be shirtless here, dude. Niet, niet, niet. Not shirtless inside. Okay. Ah, wait. There is another one of these. Take a screenshot, guys. I'm gonna have to take a screenshot for myself as well for this. So right now, am I on -2 right now? Or where am I? I don't get it. Yes, I'm on -2. So where was I? I don't know which floor I parked my car. Anyway, we'll find out. So I'm taking the first stairs from -2 and I'm going to -2B, I believe. I don't know. We'll see. I also need to see this shopping mall from outside. So I need to find the main entrance from outside to see how it looks like. We'll see. Okay, what shops do we have here? Oh, wait. Now the ceiling is lower. We have Lacoste, we have MC2, Saint Bart, Dachboch. Where is Chris when you need him to read these names if they're in French? See, there's still some works going on, even inside the shops. New Zealand. Oh wow, a shop from New Zealand. Okay. Interesting. Another shop that it's not open. Oh my, wait a minute. Oh, there is Melita as well. I don't know how to pronounce this and I'm not gonna even try, but you can see it. Vortex. We have Vortex and Jack and Jones on that side. This also I don't want to try to pronounce it. I don't want you guys to make fun of me. Oh my god, it's huge. The shopping mall is big. Like I went out from that side and now I'm on this side. Vicon Cosmetics, Italian Cosmetics. We also have music here. Uh-oh, wait, I need to pause. I hope I'm not gonna have any issues with the music on today's video. We'll see. There is Dr. Juice as well, which is good. We love Dr. Juice. Healthy food. Oh, there is a... no, I cannot go. Eurosport. Body that I aspire to have. And here we have Euronics. Oh, it's like it's a shop for electronics. Okay, interesting. We'll just give it a quick look so we don't go full inside, but you can see what they have from far distance. Good. There is a barber as well. Wow, there is a barber shop, well done. Okay, I have missed out of some of the shops because you remember I came out of the stairs and I continued that way. But now I am back here, so we have Starbucks, we have Agenda Bookshop, Lacoste, I think I missed Lacoste to show you. We have Juniors, and there is the Pavipama supermarket again, another entrance from here. Okay, so in that case, because I think that by now we already have seen quite a big part of the shopping mall, it's time for me to go and try to find the main entrance, or maybe I need to try to find any more shops that they might have here. Let's see. I hope I'm not gonna have issue with the music on the video, guys. I hope so. Let's see. So I'm taking the same stairs. So far I'm seeing only one pair of lifts, which is over here. I don't know if you have, if they have any other pair of lifts. Maybe we can investigate that as well. Downstairs we couldn't go because those stairs are closed. I don't know why. I mean, I do know, because the shopping mall is not completely ready. Over there, I don't know what there is. There is security. I think that on every floor there is a bit of security as well. And hi, sorry, where is the exit from the main entrance?
Depends if you are going to parking or if you're going outside.
Outside.
Here.
From here? Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, so the main entrance from where I was supposed to enter, which I think I'm gonna have to start the video from there. So basically the way I filmed this video is I arrived in the parking, I started filming from there, I went upstairs, and now I am going out from where I would have entered originally. And that's where I need to make the intro of the video as well. Let's see. They have, hello. They have, oh, there is another part here. Guys, there is another part that I've missed. There is Zara Home. Oh my God, amazing. Okay, so as soon as I finish with this, with filming the video, then I have to start and do a bit of shopping. So, the main entrance is here, guys. If I entered from here, then I would have seen this part first. The supermarket, Swarovski, and then the rest. Okay, so let's see this side as well. I'm thinking to start recording the video all over again, but it would not have been my same reaction, you know? So I don't want to refilm it again. So many shops that they are not open yet, as you can see, and shops on this side that are open. So I believe that when these are ready, it will give us even a better experience of the shopping mall. See? There is still a lot that needs to be done. Wow, these, they don't even have lights. Look at that. This is very typical for Malta, guys. Very typical of Malta, like restaurants, hotels, shopping malls, buildings, residential buildings to be opened for the public to go in, but things are not ready yet. This is very, very normal, very typical. I don't know about your countries, so please do let me know in your countries whether it's like this or no. There is another pair of doors over there. Okay, and now I came back over here next to Charles and Ron Cafe, where I was. Right, well, boys and girls, I'm gonna go out of the shopping mall. I'll stable myself somewhere and I'm going to give you my honest opinion about the latest and the newest shopping mall that has been opened in Malta. I couldn't find the proper place where I can station my phone, and I'm doing it just in front of the main entrance. Very nice lighting as well. Okay guys, now it's time for me, Alex in Malta, to say what he thinks about the shopping mall. First things first, I really like it because it's a medium size. It's not too big, it's not too small, so it's like the perfect size for a shopping mall where you don't feel overwhelmed and you don't feel claustrophobic. For example, Mercury Mall, for me, it's claustrophobic. The shopping mall in the Shoreline shopping mall, for me, it's too big, and it sometimes can be overwhelming because it's quite spacious, quite big, and I don't know, it's different. But this one, the layout of it, it's perfect for me. I really like it. Unfortunately, because it's not completely ready, as you notice, there is still a lot of works going on. I cannot give a full, honest review of it, but from what I have seen so far, I would give it an 8.5 out of 10. But I believe that when it's completely ready, I would give it a 10 out of 10. You guys, please let me know down in the comment section what do you think about this. And also the other thing, do we really need another shopping mall in St. Julian's? We have Mercury Mall in Mercury Tower, we have Bay Street Complex here in Pacheville, and now we have now we have St. George's Mall in St. Julian's, just opposite of St. George's Bay. The beach. Guys, please let me know what do you think about this shopping mall. I think I have given you a full-on of what the shopping mall has to offer. As you can see, there is still a lot of construction. This is just in front of the mall, and there is the residential buildings that are still ongoing, and the Hard Rock Cafe, Hard Rock Hotel, which is just behind me, that I still need to go and review it. Oh my God. So much to do, so many filmings. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, if you haven't already. Like this video, and until I see you in my next one. Bye from me and the national birds.